We're going to have a look at how to change the nib on a TWSBI Vac 700R, and it's fairly straightforward, as I will demonstrate. So take the cap off the pen, unscrew the nib unit, put it somewhere safe, get a new nib unit. This one I think is a 1.1 stub. Screw it in, not too tight, and you're done. There we go. However, you'll probably notice that there's a different colour section on the nib that we've removed, and because this is a smoke version, there we go, we're going to change it back. So we unscrew the section of sleeve, pop that there, do the same here, unscrew the section of sleeve. There we go. And while I do this, I'll tell you that the additional units are available in extra fine, fine, medium, broad, and a 1.1 stub, exactly the same as the pen. There we go, so you screw that in. As always, don't overdo it. You might well crack the plastic. You don't want to do that. Your pen will then leak. And we're there. There we are, ready to get going again. There we are. The lovely Vac 700 with a different nib.